Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at JeepsterMan.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Walking through armrest. These armrests are found on the Jeepster Commando. You also found them on the Wagoneer and the truck after 65. I've got tons of used ones. Yeah, they might have cracks in them and such. We do have those. We also sell them new. Moving here. Here's more window cranks that we have. These are Jeepster Commando. Door handles. I've got door handles all over the place for Jeepster Commandos and miscellaneous door hardware. Those are just hubcaps. We make those things new. And I do have some rare spinner mags as well that you found on the Jeepster Commando convertibles. Moving through here, I see some struts for the lift gates, the rear lift gates on the hardtop on the Jeepster Commando. Again, here's a whole stack of those, the deck lids we were talking about for the convertible. And this trim here is extremely hard to find. This, I'm going to ask for these occasionally. This is found on a Jeepster Commando. This fills, there's a little void in the body on a Jeepster Commando. These little plastic pieces, sometimes they're missing or cracked. We have tons of those. I have several hubcaps that are like this, and I also have the Commando hubcaps. Got stacks of these things. You can see, you see all the hubcaps that I have up here.
Stacks of them.
Yeah, I have a lot. You can see I've got some door hinges over here. Those door hinges on a Jeepster Commando can be bad sometimes. There's the different cowl vents we have. Got a few used steering wheels here and there, but I will tell you they're going to be cracked. You will have to repair them, but nobody makes them new. These are some of the hood supports that we have. Moving over here, these are all the pedal and the wiper mechanisms in Jeepster Commandos. Jeepster Commando had the hanging pedals, which is nice. Got all those, whether you have a manual or an automatic, you can see. And I've got some used wiper motors. Used headlight buckets for Jeepster Commandos. I would imagine these will fit CJs as well. See different bezels I have for them. Different parking lights I have for those. And then I see, there's all the dash pads we were talking about. Got used horns for Jeepster Commandos. Defroster ducts, Jeepster Commando. We'll move on down this way. Sun visors. So if you're looking for sun visors, I sell them new, but I got all these used ones as well. And we're in the process of having the new plastic pieces with clips made for these as well. The hardware, because the plastic is bad about going bad. Here's an item we get asked for a lot. So these are very rare. We can put an entire used one together for you. We can put a new circuit board, because we do have new circuit boards on it for you. These are kind of hard to come by, but we do have a few of those left, as you can see. Or you could possibly send yours and we can try to assemble one for you. These air cleaners, hard to come by. Oil bath cleaners that you find on the 225 V6, on the earlier ones that had the oil bath. This is the later style with the air paper element style in them. Again, those are hard to come by. I got some different valve covers I can see that are for a 304. You get asked for this stuff. This is emergency brake. This is the handle and such that goes up underneath the dash on the Jeepster Commando. We get asked for those time to time. We do sell emergency brake cables as well that we make. And then I have used heaters, Jeepster Commando. 225 intakes I can see here. We've got several of those. That's a one barrel, unless it came off of a Buick car. Here's timing covers. If you need one of those, we sell those new as well. Here's valve cover sets. Obviously, you'd probably need to sandblast those and paint them.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the JeepsterMan, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.